Hi everyone! Today let's talk about adverbs. Now, what are adverbs, you may ask? An adverb is used to modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb by making its meaning more specific. Adverbs are used to specify and answer the questions how, when, where, and to what degree. So, for example, the instructions were given clearly and concisely. In this sentence, clearly and concisely are adverbs used to show how the instructions were given. Saying the instructions were given clearly and concisely is more specific than simply saying the instructions were given. Another example. The teacher walked into the unusually quiet classroom. The adverb used is unusually, and it modifies the adjective quiet. It gives the readers a sense of uneasiness, right? That it's maybe unusual or odd for the classroom to be this quiet. Adverbs are great, but you do have to be careful when you're using them. Take a look at these sentences. The scenery was really beautiful. The crowd's cheer was very loud. Really and very are the adverbs used, but it hardly adds anything to the sentence or to specify its meaning. In cases such as this, you can consider using better adverbs, such as the scenery was breathtakingly beautiful. The crowd's cheer was deafeningly loud. The adverbs breathtakingly and deafeningly adds stress and paints a more vivid picture instead of using really and very. So, to sum up, why should you use adverbs? Adverbs can be used as a great way to give vivid descriptions. They can be used for specification and lastly, to add stress in your writing.